Hello! Welcome back to Chinese course on TLEAK. I'm Yao Songmei. I'm happy that you're still here with me, and I know you have made it to answer my quiz for the last two lessons already. Good job, guys! So in the last two lessons, I talked about how Chinese language is different but not difficult, and why do Chinese characters look like pictures. In the beginning of the third lesson today, I feel excited to show you some fun words in Chinese that are related to other ones, and I'm sure you will fall in love with it. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, in this lesson, you don't have to memorize all of them. We will learn in the future for sure. The first word is 日. I mentioned it in our last lesson. What does it look like? You're amazing. Yes, it looks like a picture of the sun. It's the sun in Chinese. What do you think about this word? 时? Aha! Many people think it looks like the letter T in English, doesn't it? T, T, T. T is for 10. Bingo! The number 10 in Chinese, we say 十. Now, take a look at this word, 早. 早. Does it look similar to you? Let's divide it into two parts. It's a 日 on top of a 十. It means the sun at 10 in the morning. Of course, 10 in the morning. I have never seen the sun at 10 in the evening. So, the sun at 10 in the morning. What does it mean to you? You must guess it. Yes, it means early. So, early in Chinese is 早. Here's the word that is related to 日 as well. It's 淡. It looks like the sun has just risen to the horizon. And that's it. It means dawn. Does it make sense to you? Oh my god, can't stop telling you more. It's so much fun to tell people interesting things. Here is the word that's easy to get to. 口. What does this look like? Does it look like this? It looks like a mouth. Yes, it means mouth in Chinese. So easy, right? Last word for today. 中. 中. I know. From all what we learned today, you must know what I want to tell you next. You must say, it's a line in the middle of 口. You guys are clever. Yes, middle in Chinese is 中. I'm sure the more we get to know Chinese, the more we would find it quite easy. Here's the question again. How do we Chinese pronounce and type them out? Let me tell you now. So, in English, there is an alphabet to help people to recognize words and pronounce words. We don't have that in Chinese, but we have pinyin. Chinese pinyin is the key to reading Chinese characters. It is also the key to typing out Chinese characters. Follow my lesson. You will learn how to pronounce pinyin. You will know how to type Chinese characters by using pinyin. But by now, it's your time to do the quiz on TLEAK again. I will see you in the next pinyin lesson. Bye!